Hello and welcome back to Fowler Kia of Windsor. Today we are here at our hybrid headquarters with the latest, the greatest, the 2025 Carnival Hybrid. 33 miles a gallon and enough room to fit your whole circus. Come take a look at this. This one in particular is the EX. This is the second trim up. It comes standard with leather. It has power sliding doors left and right. It has a power tailgate as well. The seats are easy to get up and down. Plenty of room in the back for everything that goes with you and your family, wherever you need to. Look at all that cargo space. I love these side cubbies here. You can put whatever knickknacks, whatever the kids come with in there as well. In the middle, we've got captain's chairs with a middle jump seat. And my favorite part, even have a snack tray in the middle. Let me show you how that works. When you pull the seat back down for the middle seat, you not only have two cup holders, you have phone holders built into it and a water resistant snack tray in the middle because kids are messy and they're always hungry. Up the front, the EX does come standard with seat memory for two people, power seat adjustment with the 4-axis lumbar support. The 2025s get the new Android-powered screen. This is the exact same screen that gets used in our flagship electric vehicle, the EV9. You can set individual drivers' profiles. You can even monitor what your hybrid's doing and how it's doing that. It comes standard with built-in navigation, complete with my favorite thing, the food finder. Fully adjustable tilt and pan steering wheel. And because it's such a sporty car, we've got paddle shifters for you. The front center console features our new jeweled shifter, drive mode select, and the parking brake. Everything's been streamlined to make it a very stress-free environment for the AC controls in the front are an intuitive OLED display that doubles as a media panel. It even gives you controls of your rear AC. But if you'd rather let your backseat passengers do all the heavy lifting for that, they have their own controls up here. You can control temperature, fan, even heat your feet. And all your door and tailgate controls are accessible and easy reach. The hybrid Carnivals also come standard with active cruise control, automated headlights, and automated high beams. The front center console features our new jeweled shifter, drive mode select, and the parking brake. Everything's been streamlined to make it a very stress-free environment for you. The multifunction display in the center has color change options that allow you to set it how you want it to. If you want a different color, you can change your dash to be as green as you want to be. The new hybrid Carnivals feature integral turn signals with the multi-jeweled LED headlights. Matte silver finishes to the whole front area, the new dynamic grille, and we top it all off with the matte gray pearl wheels to it. These wheels help to give it a really sporty appearance. This, as I like to call it, is our leased minivan. When you're ready to take that leap into our green future, come see us at Fowler Kia of Windsor at our hybrid headquarters.